Hello, honking fans. So I've just had a bit of a sneezing session and my nose is really full. So I thought I'd give it a couple of really good blows just for you, so you don't have to specifically watch the sneezing video to get what you're looking for. So I've got tissues. I don't have hankies yet. They're on the way. I'm going to just give a couple of really good trumpet blows for you. See if I can totally destroy my tissues. I know I can. If you remember, this nose does amazing damage to tissues. So let's go. Oh, it goes all over me. And this is a 2-ply tissue folded in half. There. My nose is just too strong, too powerful for them. Let's do another one. I like to do 5 honks. I don't know why. It just feels right. It feels like the right number when I'm blowing my nose. So. There you go. There were 3. I hope you enjoyed. As always, thank you for the follows. Thank you for the likes. If you're looking for anything custom or specific, please get hold of me. info@mistressally.com. Ally is spelled A-L-L-Y. I love making customs. I find it so much fun and so interactive. I also do video calls, so if you want to actually chat to me live while I'm blowing my nose, I'd love that. So get in touch with me and we can organize something. Thank you so much. Lots of love. Keep being your amazing selves, and I will chat to you soon.